Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the spool and bobbin. Put the spool on the correct pin and secure it. Wind a bobbin evenly, stop at about 3/4 full, because an overfilled bobbin causes jams. Once done, raise the presser foot to open tension discs so the thread seats properly. Thread the bobbin case and insert the bobbin with the thread tail following the machine's arrow. Make sure the bobbin rotates smoothly. If it snags, rewind or trim the thread tail. With the bobbin set, route the top thread through the numbered guides, follow 1, 2, 3 and cross the tension mechanism. This controls stitch tightness. Next, bring the thread up and hook it into the take-up lever when it is at its highest point. This ensures the thread catches the bobbin thread each stitch. Then lead the thread down through the remaining guides to the needle. Thread the needle from left to right if your Jack A2c manual shows that. Pull a 4/6-inch tail under the presser foot. You're ready to finish. Lower the needle into the fabric, hold both threads, and slowly turn the handwheel to make the first stitch so the bobbin thread rises. Once you have a loop, pull both threads gently under the presser foot toward the back and trim tails to about 1/2 inch. Then run a test seam on scrap. If stitches skip or bunch, reseat or replace the needle, rethread top and bobbin while presser foot is up, and check for lint in the feed dog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.